Hello, everybody. Welcome back, Voices from Sea. Hope you guys doing great. And I'm also great. And this is a second video of our SAGA GIS tutorial. So already have created grid system, and then we have added base map, right? And we change this name grid.01 BOB, but it doesn't change here because we don't click apply. So if you click on apply, then you see the name of grid system. So in this video, we're gonna cover how to save and how to load. So for example, if you wanna save this grid, so clearly right click and then save as. Then you see the folder name is Grid of Bay of Bengal. You can select here, right? And then if you want to load your value, your grid or whatever you want, then click on File and choose Grid and then Load. So look, Grid of Bay of Bengal, here's I can, for example, I can add my grid. Yes, already added. Add to map. I have to click on add to map, otherwise it cannot be shown. So this is the active layer. You see, this is the blue color highlighted. That means this layer is active. Then click on zoom to active layer. You got it. And this is also we're gonna add to map. And this is zoom to active layer. So yes, this way actually we have to load and then we have to save. And then another one I want to teach in this tutorial, that is how to create your project. For example, this is a project. You're not going to create new every single opening, right? So you're going to have to save as a project. So click on File and choose Project. No load project. Load project will be after saving a project. When you have to open the previous project, then probably you have to click on load project. New project, no. Save project, no. It will be save project as. Okay, so this is the project folder. So we can blah blah blah, something like that. We can put name according to your project. Okay, this way we can save our project and save our grid and load our grid, and how to open your project, to load project. Yes, this way it can take your folder, or more probably not, but you have to choose your folder and then you can open your project you have saved before. So yes, I think it's very important to get more details. And if you don't understand anything, just let me know. I will try to explain more, or maybe I'm gonna make another video to solve your problem. So you can connect me, or you can connect to me with my email, or probably can put your comment, any query in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a great day.